The night sky, once a familiar canvas of stars, has become a stage for the unknown. Across New Jersey, from the suburban sprawl to the rural edges, strange lights dance in the twilight. They are not stars, nor planes, nor anything easily explained. They are drones, but their purpose remains shrouded in mystery. My journey into this enigma began with a chilling video. Flickering lights moving with an unsettling precision, cutting through the darkness above a quiet New Jersey town. This wasn't just a random occurrence. Reports were flooding in, sightings multiplying, fear escalating. I knew I had to delve into this mystery, to separate fact from fiction, and uncover the truth behind New Jersey's drone sightings. The first whispers of these strange lights began in the early months of 2024. At first, they were dismissed as weather balloons, Chinese lanterns, or simply overactive imaginations. But as the weeks turned into months, the sightings became too frequent, the patterns too deliberate to ignore. Something unusual was happening in the skies above New Jersey. The epicenter of these sightings seemed to shift, moving from small towns to the outskirts of larger cities. Reports described drones of varying sizes, some small and nimble, others large and imposing, their silhouettes barely discernible against the night sky. The common thread? An eerie silence, a sense of unseen observation that sent shivers down the spines of witnesses.
Its lights were off, but I could see its shape against the moon. It felt like it was watching us.
Across the Garden State, men and women from all walks of life found themselves united by a shared experience. The unsettling sight of unidentified drones hovering near their homes, businesses, and even schools. Their stories, though varied in detail, painted a chillingly consistent picture.
It was like something out of a science fiction.
Sarah, a young mother from Trenton, described a large black drone that hovered silently outside her bedroom window late one night. John, a retired engineer from Atlantic City, reported seeing a formation of smaller drones moving with incredible speed and agility, their lights flashing in a seemingly coordinated pattern.
The technology displayed in some of these videos is unlike anything commercially available. The speed, maneuverability, and stealth capabilities suggest a level of sophistication that's beyond the capabilities of most hobbyist or even commercial drones.
To make sense of these extraordinary claims, I reached out to experts in drone technology and aerial phenomena.
The patterns, the silence, the sense of being watched, these are all unexplained aerial phenomena we've seen documented for decades. While many drone sightings can be attributed to conventional explanations, some cases like those in New Jersey defy easy categorization.
Adding another layer to the mystery were the insights of Mark O'Connell, a veteran ufologist. Section 5. Between speculation and reality, unraveling the drone mystery. Theories abound, each more intriguing and unsettling than the last. Could these drones be part of a sophisticated government surveillance program, their advanced technology kept secret from the public? Are we witnessing the rise of a new breed of high-tech criminals using drones for illegal activities under the cover of darkness? Or could these sightings be something even more extraordinary? Evidence of extraterrestrial technology far beyond our current understanding? While the possibility of alien visitors is a tantalizing prospect, it's crucial to approach such theories with a healthy dose of skepticism. As much as we crave answers to the unknown, it's essential to ground our investigations in facts and evidence. And in the case of the New Jersey drone sightings, there are more earthly explanations that warrant our attention. Section 6. The government's eye in the sky, surveillance and secrecy. The idea of government agencies utilizing advanced drone technology for surveillance is not a new one. In an age of heightened security concerns, it's not far-fetched to imagine government agencies developing and deploying covert drones for intelligence gathering and monitoring. Could the New Jersey sightings be evidence of such programs operating under a veil of secrecy?
It's certainly within the realm of possibility, admitted Dr. Carter. Government agencies have access to cutting-edge technology that's often years ahead of what's available. It's not inconceivable that they're testing new drone platforms with advanced capabilities. However, she cautioned against jumping to conclusions. Without concrete evidence, it's important to consider other possibilities as well.
Section 7. Hoaxes, hype, and the hunt for truth. In the age of social media, where information spreads like wildfire and anyone with a smartphone can be a content creator, it's crucial to be wary of hoaxes and misinformation. The internet is awash in videos claiming to show everything from UFOs to mythical creatures, and drone footage is no exception.
Some technologically savvy individuals may seek notoriety or amusement by creating elaborate drone hoaxes, using sophisticated software and editing techniques to make the unbelievable seem real. It's easier than you might think to fake drone footage, explained Dr. Carter. With the right software, you can manipulate footage, add or remove objects, and even create realistic flight paths. This doesn't mean that all drone sightings are hoaxes, but it highlights the importance of critical thinking and careful analysis when evaluating such claims. Extraordinary claims, as they say, require extraordinary evidence.
Section 8. Conclusion: New Jersey's drone mystery. Solved? After weeks of investigation, countless interviews, and careful analysis of the evidence, the mystery of the New Jersey drone sightings remains just that, a mystery. While no definitive answers have emerged, we can draw some tentative conclusions. The most plausible explanation points towards a combination of factors: advanced government drone testing, the rise of sophisticated drone hobbyists pushing the boundaries of technology, and a healthy dose of misinformation and hoaxes fueled by social media. The lack of a singular, satisfying explanation may be frustrating for some, but it's a reminder that we live in a complex world where simple answers are often elusive. The truth is often stranger than fiction, and sometimes it remains tantalizingly out of reach. Section 9. Join the expedition. Your theories and the quest continues. The investigation into the New Jersey drone sightings may be drawing to a close, but the conversation is far from over. What do you think is behind these mysterious aerial encounters? Share your theories, insights, and any information you may have in the comments below. The quest for answers continues, and your voice could be the key to unlocking the truth behind this modern-day enigma. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies, and remember, the truth is out there waiting to be discovered.